I have a new item to show you that I just found. It is an espresso coffee maker machine. And look at this, it's really pretty, isn't it? And very, very narrow, so it doesn't take up much space on your countertop. It is by this company here, AICOK. I have gotten other things from this company, and I've been very pleased with the quality of the products. I like the black and silver chrome design of it, but there is something that I did not notice or know until I got it, that you actually have a choice. They send with this, you can change this out. This is like a, they say it's red, it's more like a burgundy. If you don't like the black, then you can lift this up and then replace it with the red if you want to go with that two-tone design. Or if you just want to just keep the plain black, you can do that. I thought that was kind of nice. In the back here, this is the water reservoir where you fill up the water right here. See that? Right there. And that tells you the minimum and the maximum amount to put the water in. And then here you have a on button, and you have a small cup and a large cup. So it makes it very simple. Very easy to figure out. Oh, this is not like a regular espresso machine. It actually takes those little tiny little K-cups. They're the little ones for making espresso. So you have to have one of those to make it work. You have a drip tray that lifts out, so that makes it easy to clean, as well as here, if anything falls from here, then it goes into here. So that way it doesn't make a mess on your countertop. All of the liquid will just stay right there until you're ready to lift it up and clean it. And I thought that was nice. It's very slender, so it takes up very little space on your countertop. So I'm going to go ahead and put some water in it and try it out. Alright, I got water in it. Back here I filled it up through the tank. And I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on small cup. Well, it made the coffee really fast. Let me try it out. Very nice. I really like this. This thing's fast. A lot easier than my old machine. Yeah, I like it. Well, this machine is actually really fun. So much easier than my old espresso machine. I love being able to put the little cups in here and then just hit a button and then it's made. I love that. I like the slender design of this, so it takes up very little space on my countertop. I like the way it looks. It was very affordable, so yes, I'm very happy with it, and I'm glad I got it. That's it for my review today. Thanks for watching. Bye.